Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the video with a story time. I will be filling out the description box as soon as I can, but I just wanted to go ahead and upload this video because I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks because I've just been like hella busy. Like, that's the truth. I've been extra busy and feeling just a little uninspired, but yeah, I'm kind of out of it. But anyway, so I was battling with which story time I wanted to tell, but if I have time to tell two, I will. But I'm going to start with the story time about this girl who brought her kid to her appointment. And on my booking site, I make it very clear that I don't care for guests because, like I told you guys in the last video, I work from home. I just had to stop the voiceover because I had a package at the door. So I work from home, and I don't know. I'm just I'm okay with who I am. Like, I'm a person that I kind of thrive off of energy, if that makes sense. Like, I just don't like everybody in my personal space. So I'm probably still gonna be like that when I get my space, which is gonna be very soon, because I'm so serious about getting my own space. But I have on my site that absolutely no guests, no kids. And sometimes I bend that rule because sometimes, it'll be a client that has come to me for a while. Then, I understand that things happen. So sometimes I'll let people bring their child, and I always ask, does your child sit down? Are they respectful? Or, just I ask the questions that have to be asked, like, do you have a badass kid, basically. So this particular person comes to me quite often, and she literally did not tell me anything, did not ask me if it was okay, and that was my issue. It was because you did not ask. So what happened was, she waited until she arrived at the appointment to tell me that she had her kid with her. And I was like, what? Because it's the audacity for me. It's respect, and it's like, why didn't you ask me before you even came? So now I felt like you know what I'm saying, I didn't want to turn her around. So it's like, that's just how I felt. I felt like I did not want to turn her around. So I was like, but I also felt like, why didn't you tell me? So I was so annoyed, y'all. And I was really like trying not to show it on my face because I be knowing when people be lying. Like, I be knowing when people be lying about their kids, like, being respectful or being good kids. And it's like, kids are going to be kids. But it's like, if you know your kid don't sit down, don't lie. And don't bring them over here because I don't have children yet. And it's like, I can't relate. And that's just the honest truth. So I'd rather not. And then on top of that, it's like, I don't want you to have to deal with that at your makeup appointment. That's just like going to get a massage to relax. And then you got your kids sitting in the corner yelling and screaming. Like, it makes no sense. So I need to stop smacking. She gets in. And she's just like, oh, I'm so sorry. And I'm just in my head like, please leave me alone. But I'm still being nice. I'm still being respectful. Like, I'm just like that. I try not to show how I feel on my face. I don't know if I do a good job at it, but I really try not to show my feelings on my face. Because, So, girl, y'all, I don't know what's going on with my computer. Why is it doing this? I feel like it's going like super slow. Anyways, hopefully this video upload correctly with the voice because my computer is doing something weird. But they come in, I ask everybody before they come into my place to take their shoes off at the door. The little boy doesn't have any socks on with his shoes, so it's like and I don't care about this part. I'm saying all this to say what I'm about to say. So I don't care if you come over here and you have on slides and you don't have any socks on walking on my carpet. I don't care about that. So he doesn't have on any socks, and I think she had on socks with her shoes. So she comes and she sits down. Immediately he starts going crazy. Like he starts acting like a child that literally just does whatever he wants to do. And I was just like, okay, maybe he's just excited. So, I ain't gonna say nothing this time. So she sat down, I started doing her makeup. And when I tell you, he started going crazy. Like he was just like so hype. And I don't know. It was just like, and then what really killed me was she wasn't saying nothing. It was just like the little, sit down. No. It just seemed like she didn't have any control over her kid. I'm gonna just keep it a book. And I don't know. Maybe that's just I know how it looks when a person got control over their kid, because you could just give them that look and they'd be like, oh, okay, let me sit down. But no, it did not seem like that. And when I tell y'all, it made me so mad because y'all, I turned around and this little boy got his feet on my sofa. And he is jumping up and down on my sofa. And when I tell y'all, it pissed me off so bad. My blood was boiling so freaking bad. And she literally wasn't saying nothing. And then I was just like, So I looked at her and I was like, hey, do you mind me saying something to him? And she was like, no, you can say something. And I was like, sit down. He still wasn't listening to me, y'all. He was not listening to nothing I said. And then when she was getting her makeup done in the chair, she told him to go sit on the sofa or sit down. He came and sat underneath her legs while she was getting her makeup done. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I was so pissed. I just don't like that. I don't mind people standing around watching me do makeup. That's fine. But it's like, if I can control it, I would rather not have people all in my space. And I understand that's his mom. He feels comfortable around his mom. But the whole situation was just annoying, y'all. Super annoying. I think I may have 5 minutes left. So I guess I could tell you guys another story time. So I had this girl who booked me, and I have all my rules up on my site. So if you guys want to go just look at it, y'all can. I think they are pretty. I just feel like my rules are a no-brainer. I feel like with rules, it's like you decide if you want to book this makeup artist based on her rules. So I have the no guest policy, and then I have the if you cancel on me same day policy, that you owe me the balance. And I just started doing that. So it's just this is what I do. I do this in YouTube. So if you don't come, then I don't make my money. So I've started this thing to where it's if you don't show up or cancel same day, then you owe me that balance, which I think that's more than fair. And then I give them the option to click yes or no that they understand it, and yes or no that they agree to these terms. So you press yes that you understand. So basically, she clicks that on her appointment, and when they don't send me the money or act like they don't know what I'm talking about, I'll pull up in their notes under their appointment. You clicked, you understood. You clicked, yes, I understand that if I cancel same day, I owe her this balance. Okay. So she books, basically, long story short, cancels the same day. Was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry, but I'm not going to make it. And I was like, oh, okay, it's fine, sweetie. Just make sure you send your balance to this payment, this form of payment. This is how you're going to send it. She didn't send me nothing, basically, y'all. And I don't press nobody about it. It's I'll give you all day to send it, long as it's sent. She didn't send me nothing. And then when people do stuff like that, I ban you. I block you off my site. You're done. You can't book me no more. So probably like 2-3 weeks later, y'all, I see this appointment come through and it's the girl's name. Like on the site, it was another name, but through PayPal, the actual girl who I banned for not paying, her name popped up through the PayPal. So mind you, you know, majority of the time I don't meet these people until they come sit in my chair. So it's like I don't know what she looked like, but I remembered her name. Y'all, the girl tried to book under a different name, but PayPal caught her ass. Yo, and I tell y'all, I sent her a message and I was like, hey, if this is you, you might as well just stop because I know who you are. Y'all, she didn't say nothing. I was like, oh, if this is you, you're banned because you deliberately did not respond to my text or did not pay me, but your name is popping up through an appointment. So it was done. So that's the end of the story time, y'all. Please give this video a like and drop me some comments. And I'm going to try to post back more consistently every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the look. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.